welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shania, and today I'm back with a new video. Today's video is a hair installation video in collaboration with Celie Hair. They were kind enough to send me this unit. I don't typically do curly units because I have a big head, so most curly units don't usually fit my face, but I'm actually feeling this one. So a bit of info on this hair. This is their water wave unit. It's HD lace. I received it in 20 inches and it's 180% density. Some pros and cons about this unit. So first pro would be that the quality of the lace is chef's kiss, out of this world. Probably one of the best quality laces that I've ever installed. Another pro would be I like how lightweight the hair is. It's 180% density and it's just right. It's not too full, it's not too thin. It just feels very lightweight on my head. It was really easy to install. Like, you guys would see that I didn't do the ball cap method at all in this video. I like the quality of the hair, but a con would be that it does shed quite a bit. Like, I'm gonna run my comb through the hair and you'll be able to see. It's not like excessive shedding, but it does shed. Like, can you see that? So that's the amount of shedding you get once you run the comb through the hair a couple times. But the hair is really soft and really bouncy. So another pro on this wig I would have to say is that the wig is definitely big head friendly. It's not too tight on my head, making me feel uncomfortable. I think it's quite snug. And once you've installed this wig, there's not much that you have to do to it. You don't have to apply any heat. You just spray some water or add some mousse to the hair and you're good to go for your day. So without further ado, let's just jump into the installation portion of this video. I hope that you guys enjoy my content. Please continue to support me by subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting on my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Shania from the future hair. I've always wanted to say that. So I'm here to guide you through step by step how I achieved this install. So first of all, I'm using my edge brush that I received from Celie Hair, and I'm also using some gummy wax to push my edges back under my wig cap. The next step, I'll be using some powdered foundation to blend my wig cap to match my complexion. There's no special technique to this, you just gotta make sure most of the cap is covered with the powder. Here you can see me finally applying the wig to my head, and I'm just playing around with it, trying to get it in the best position possible before I can start applying the Bed Head TG Hard hairspray. And I'm using this to apply my wig today. So in today's install, I used about 3 layers of this hairspray, and then I went in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to ensure that the glue was tacky before I started to apply the lace to my skin. So here you can see me struggling to get the melt band around my head. Eventually I did get it on, and I kept it on for about 20 minutes. Finally. here you can just see me playing around with the hair. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I eventually did the middle part, but then changed it to a side part because I'm just indecisive. To chop that lace off, baby. So I'm now gonna speed up the video because you guys know how to use the scissors. I'm sure. I'm sure. Do you mind alive? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong. So here you can see me just trying to part my hair in the middle. Well, as close as to the middle as possible. So I'm just using my rat tail comb and I'm just trying to figure it out, baby. I'm really trying to figure it out. Then I go in with my wax stick to get the hair as flat as possible, and then I run my hot comb through that several times. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. I was thinking safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got her home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong. Oh, you're still coming over, even when you're gone. Love, fear, then just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long.
Guys, I always struggle to do the baby hairs. Like, I could never get them how I want them. But they say practice makes perfect, so I'm gonna keep on practicing. This is my hair once I've added the mousse, and on the left this is my hair without any product in it at all, and I'm just loving the texture of the hair right now. The curl pattern is absolutely gorgeous. Over even when you're gone, just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I put it in the song. And there you have it. This is the end result of the hair installed on myself. I'm really feeling it. So I'm just gonna get glammed and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel
So we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All this going